Welding is the process of using some form of heat energy to join metal parts. One type of welding, arc welding, uses an electrical current to weld objects. Change your life, be better. Science Father presents welding technology. It's the hybrid event. International Research Awards on Welding Technology. Next event start on 27 to the 28th of July 2023. At a beautiful place of Delhi, India. We have 10 plus awards. 100 plus award winners. Nominate now Welding Awards. Join with us. 9th edition of International Research Awards on Welding Technology on 27 to 28, 2023 at the beautiful place of Delhi, India. Welding Summit 2023. Nominate now scientists, academician, research scholars for presentation in our International Research Awards on Welding Technology.